Taking a peek at the key fob for the Nissan Rogue. It is very Nissan-esque with the styling. Front side of the fob, there's the remote start, lock button, unlock button, trunk release, horn or panic alarm, and then the release for, can I do it? Yeah, there we go. The emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you, you need to get inside. You're just going to insert and you're good to go. And then utilizing the features on the fob. So in order to remote start, just make sure you're locked. Push and hold that remote start button there. Hear that? We're remote started. In order to cancel the remote start, push that circle button there again once. Then you can open up the trunk a few ways, but on the fob, just going to push and hold that trunk release button. You can see there, up it goes. Then push there in order to close the lift gate. But you can also do a push and hold on that button again to make it happen. Down it goes. Now, there's also the option for a foot activated lift gate. So if your vehicle is enabled with it, all you're going to do, walk up to the back end, going to swipe, and up it goes. And same idea, you can utilize the fob in order to be able to close, button push in order to close it instead. Now, the Rogue also has a remote unlock and lock feature. So let's say you've just shut your door and you're walking away. It's got a lock feature, so it'll lock for you. As you walk towards the vehicle, it's also going to unlock for you as well. And then, in order to utilize some of the features that we were just looking at there, all you're going to do, start the vehicle up. That's nice. And while that's loading, if you want walkthroughs on the infotainment system or the steering wheel and cluster, check down in the description of this video for a walkthrough on how that's done. But what you want to do, navigate to your settings. There are a series of settings here, so you're using the scroll wheel to get to vehicle settings. You want to go locking, and then you've got your walk away lock and approach unlock. So that's the one where if you walk away from the vehicle, it's going to automatically lock. Walk towards you with the fob, it's going to automatically unlock for you as well. And then there are a series of other options for lighting and welcoming and things like that. So welcome headlights as you approach the vehicle later on at night. Light off delay. When you go to lock the vehicle at night, how long do the lamps stay on for? Do they just turn off? Do they stay on for up to 3 minutes? So that one's going to be a matter of preference. But like I said, if you want a full walkthrough, you'll find it down in the description. But that's how you use the key fob inside of the Nissan Rogue.